Katanat State Disaster Management Authority Meghalaya, but District Disaster Management Authority Ribhoi District. Mentakas ngi khat khandai tarik nai wing kalapan kutno ya kajing ai jing hikai shiki Khun Samla bakin long kum ki abda mitra volunteer kabaderu kabach kabaar. Kate ka jing hikai kabala sedang nadu ka khat ar tarik nai wing laya shimbenta de ki Samla volunteer jangka NYKS My Bharat Yuva Volunteer, Batna Bharat Scouts and Guides, Lengba ka Yuva Abda Mitra Scheme, YAMS. Hakite ki prasngi nakaliang ki he officer jong katna disaster, kila hikai ki Samla kumno banyale, hakipor bawan Lynshop Khubor jong Mariang, kamtam hakipor bawan ki Jumai, hakabala ya lami kite ki Samla ki bawan syahikai nakawe ka jaka shiki wepan. Kena makin yo eki jing hikai bakum nu ban ai eki jing ya da bat ki jing ya rap ki bakirki shiki brio ki bangat ha ki jing man saw haba wan Lynshop Khubor Mariang ni kinu ki jing ja accident. Hakani kasngi penkut lawan banyadon lang da UBDO kamau hati ba ji milim Dr. E Kharkangor Principal Karibhoi College J Mautho District Disaster Management Officer DDMO ba BK Swear Deputy Controller Civil Defence Nokpo hakabala yo ru bansa miki surnat shabaro ki Samla volunteer ki bala pendep ya katei ka jingsha hikai.
Office and all the other players who have taken time on the decision to be with you this entire week in parting this very, very important game. So, as I mentioned a couple of seconds ago, my speech will be very short. First, I'd like to thank all the volunteers for being part of this wonderful training. It's encouraging to see so many take part in this training and volunteering, giving your time out in spite of other activities that may be going on in your life. I on behalf of the Deputy Commissioner and the DDMO office to be able to thank that. But now comes the most serious part, as we've been trained for the past 5 days. I'm sure you're aware that disasters can be very serious matters. That's why they're called disasters. So with this training that you've been imparted, I hope you gain confidence to be able to volunteer and to help out when the need arises. I've been briefed by the Deputy Controller that the Khubor does not see as much disasters as the other districts, but that does not mean that we should be complacent. So please do keep yourself updated and do undertake regular retraining and regular upskilling as well of all the various skills that we've learned this week. And I hope that more than anything in the past 5 days you've learned some important skills that will not only serve you during your career as a volunteer but also throughout the world. So once again, I'd like to thank you and I hope you utilize all the skills that you learned. And I'd also like to thank you to the DDMO for organizing the second batch of the training for you.